rosemary helps you to relax. Take some sprigs of rosemary. I'm sure you all know what rosemary smells like, but if you take a sprig or two, just pass that round. It's got a lovely, such a nice kind of piney, minty sort of smell. And just have a waft of those. Take one each and keep that, and you can keep smelling it every so often. It's lovely. It has a very potent smell, but it's an antioxidant. It's also an antiseptic, and it's also anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory. So when I talk about anti-inflammatory foods, these are foods that actually we, as women, we may get fibroids or cysts or even, inflammation in the body, in the breast even. Drinking something like rosemary helps to keep the body in balance and eliminate any inflammation in the body. It also has disinfectant properties, and one of the best things about rosemary is it boosts memory. So if you're having memory problems, drink it, just boil it, or put it, just sort of slightly bruise it and put it in a cup of hot water and drink it. It's actually a lovely, pleasant and refreshing tea. And also it alleviates headaches, and it has been known to, if you infuse it in oil, it has been known to eliminate greys, strengthen hair growth, and you'll feel a sort of slight tingling sensation, and it also thickens hair as well. You'll find that you're getting thinning hair. And if you use it two times a week, you'll see the results of hair stimulation, growth, thickness, elimination of greys. So if you were to make 2 cups of rosemary tea and soak it in a cloth and place it on an infected area on your body for about 10 to 15 minutes, say twice a day, it helps to relieve muscle soreness. So rosemary has a whole host of benefits, and I'm only just telling you a few of some of these benefits of the herbs that I've got here today.